Firstly, we should power on this watch. Press this 2K at the same time. Now this watch has been powered on. Then we press function key 3 seconds. Then use down key to choose pair buttons here. Then we press function key. Press function key again. Here this page, we use up and down key to choose a number we want to set. If number 1 is the number we want to set, then we press this transmitter. Now, paired means this transmitter's number has been registered successfully. Then we use up key to choose another number. Press the transmitter here. If all of the transmitter has been registered successfully, we use this enter key to exit the page. Here. Then we press this transmitter. Press order here. We will choose this. That's all.